KidsVision TV.
Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today we are learning to draw a Hello Kitty mermaid. Let's draw and color with me. Let's draw by drawing. First I am drawing its face and its blue. Then I am drawing its eyes and its nose. Let's draw its body. Let's draw its face and its mustache. Let's draw its tail. Let's draw the waves. Now I am going to color it. Let's color with me. Light purple color. First I am coloring its shell.
Subscribe us for more videos.
Yellow color. I am coloring in nose and its blue circle. Light pink color. I am coloring in blue. I am coloring in waves. Light blue color. I am coloring in waves. Do you like my Hello Kitty mermaid? Let's color its tail. It's looking so good.
Subscribe us for more videos.